What's going on, guys? Reaction bringing you guys another video, and today we're gonna be reacting to Locksmith, prison. Someone requested it in the comments on our last vid. So yeah, hope you enjoy this if you're actually watching this, and I hope everyone else is. So yeah, let's get it.
Everything's a lie, everything's a prison. Everything is
Dude, this is sick.
Yeah.
Everything you try only feeds the system. Everything's a lie, everything's a prison. The same reason why Lil Pump is eating office is the same reason why Donald Trump is in office. We fail society as a whole, so how can we blame him when our president is a troll? How can we blame kids when adults are hypocritical? We say do as we say, not as we do. That's the rituals. And Kanye said slavery was an amalgam. And 2 weeks later, you niggas still bought his album.
Oh shit, what the fuck? This guy's sick.
Cause both of them motherfuckers are black killers. Both of them motherfuckers attack niggas. Now they controlling us through our rap lyrics. Everything's a program that's programmed. They program the kids while selling their own brand. If we don't band together, they banning us from existence. But you stubborn niggas still show resistance. I'm keeping the distance. The difference is intentions what they're pursuing. Media outlets have outstretched past reviewing. And now the interviewers are interviewing the interviewers. They want to be stars more than the artists they're in view of. Skew, basically, you don't want to stand in the place of me. I will never take complacency at the pace you lead. I will make you bleed. I will take your plea. I will shake debris. Make decrees. You want them. How perfect must a black kid be before we feel free to warn him? Born into poverty, liberation is property. Limitations are properly put in place.
Dude, this is like deep as fuck though.
Yeah. Everything from Barack to the current day cabinet, they just look for the cash in it. Educated through YouTube, it's brutal. The literary standard for information is Google, it's futile. The internet is our classroom. Graduate from your bathroom and spew stupid shit like a gas fuel. Assuming you can make the weight, I'ma have faith and embrace my fate. I'ma make way for the days I prayed. I will raise my grade and escape your bait. I'ma stake what's fake, I'ma stake my claim. Ignore y'all, take my aim. You can build walls and prisoners all when come back, you can't debate. I speak for what's pressing and feed from aggression. No need your discretion. I peak when niggas least would expect it. I leaped in the metrics, creeped up with a gleeful expression, a lethal obsession. So even in defeat, there's progression. I'm like, everything's a lie, everything's a prison. Everything aside, you don't see the symptoms. Everything you try only feeds the system.
Yeah. Bro, this is like straight true as fuck though. Like all the shit he said. Like, that's crazy.
Dude, his lyrics are like meaningful.
Yeah. That was dope though.
He's like underrated as fuck, bro.
How many subs does he have?
64K.
How many views?
Should have way more. 35K only.
What the? Yo, thanks for requesting that, bro. That was like actually deep as fuck.
Word. Fucking true.
But I hope you guys enjoyed that reaction. And comment more if you guys want to see any more. Subscribe, like.
Thanks for commenting.
Yeah, word. Thanks, buddy. And peace out.
Thanks.